Journey of a Netbook, Update Process 2017. These are the steps to be taken care of during the update process. Let's start with the training room. Announce the school name.
Pescodia High School.
Give one form per school and ask the teacher to complete the form. Collection counter. Schools with names starting from alphabet A to J are assigned to collection counter number 1. Schools with names starting from alphabet K to Z are assigned to collection counter number 2. If the forms have been completed, invite the teachers to the respective collection counter. Ask them to bring their netbooks, chargers, and all USB sticks along with the completed form. On receiving the items for a given school at the collection counter, pay school name stickers on the following: netbooks, chargers, old USB sticks. Check the netbooks for the following: broken screen or damaged parts. Check the working condition of the charger. Note the above in the form. Get the teacher to sign the form. Plug the charger into the netbook and arrange the bundle of netbooks, charger, and form for a given school in a carton or basket. Ensure that not more than 3 netbooks are horizontally stacked on top of each other. If vertically stacked, do not place anything on top. Put the old USB sticks in a box. Once the carton is filled with netbooks, carry it to the tech room. Tech room. The tech room has 2 counters: the IMF counter and the update counter. The carton of netbooks arrives at the IMF counter in the tech room. Check if each netbook and charger have a school name sticker. Ensure that the accompanying form is completed. If the above conditions are not met, please return the netbooks back to the collection counters in the training room. For a given netbook, enter the following details in the IMF Excel file: the school sticker name as mentioned on top of the netbook, the netbook sticker number as mentioned on the bottom of the netbook, the IMF ID of the Hey Math or Hey Science program. Once the school sticker name, netbook sticker number, and IMF of the program are entered for all the netbooks in the school bundle, pass them to the update counter. At the update counter, take the bundle of netbooks for a given school. Take one netbook at a time and do the following: update the content using the Delta method. Save the database file or DB file in a folder. Name the folder as per the school sticker name on top of the netbook. open the updated Hey Math or Hey Science program and check one sample lesson from the NSC 2016. Once the DB file is saved, content update is completed, and one NSC 2016 lesson is checked. For all the netbooks in a school bundle, pass them back to the IMF counter. At the IMF counter, note the completion of saving DB file, content update, and USB given in the IMF Excel file. Pick the correct new USB for the given school and match it with the school name sticker on the netbook. Drop the new USB in a different box. Arrange the school netbook bundle along with the charger and the form in a carton or basket. Carry the bundle of netbooks, charger, form, and new USB of a particular school to return to the teacher in the training room. Back to the training room. In the training room, return the bundle of netbooks and the charger to the teacher. Match the new USB with the school name on the form and hand it over to the teacher. Ask the teacher to sign the form for acknowledgement of receipt of the new USB and the updated netbooks. Collect the signed form from the teacher. Collect all the signed forms from the teachers and submit them to the assigned manager. Ensure that all these steps are meticulously followed during the update.